Rick with the best of everything, and I'm looking at the Aibocn WX010 10,000 milliamp battery. It comes in the innocuous black and white, black on white, a black band. Yeah, there we go. Full to the max. Okay, Aibocn, let's just see what you got. 10,000 milliamps and a light. I like that. It's kind of a weenie light, but it's a light. If the power goes out and you have to fiddle around, that's enough to see by to get hooked back up. Okay, let's do this. We have a pair of ports here on the Aibocn WX010. If you'll notice, the one on the left has 2 lightning bolts. The one on the right has 1 lightning bolt. My assumption then is that this is 1 amp, 2 amp. Red fish, blue fish. And the cryptic numbers, rather than a quarter apiece, they allude somewhere close to a quarter. 2 bars is 60% or less. Close. 3 bars, you're good to go. A lot of juice. 4 bars, hold the door. 1 bar, well, you should have plugged that in when you had the chance. Let's go with the 2 amp jack. This 5 volt and this little 5600 milliamp battery is drawing 8/10 of an amp. Let's put something else on here. So with the smart port charging built in, it will probably stop at 1 amp. Charging port, where are you? No, I was wrong. It's getting right on up there, 160. And it didn't waste any time. It knew immediately when that Samsung was in there. I think since it looks so nice, I would probably put that in the front office so that our friends that have come in carelessly without any power can get some emergency charge while they sit and wait. The Aibocn WX010. I got one, you should too. That's a nice little power bank.